Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In the last session, we have seen how to create different type of points, and in today's session, we will learn about the point groups. It is very important to know about different type of point groups because sometimes we have to apply a certain set of properties to a specific set of points. So in that case, the grouping is very important. So let's wait for this workspace to load up. Now we can simply go and access the last lecture, lecture number 4. From here you can see it was in the all points group. If we select one point, we get these properties. So let's click on point group properties. Here we have given the point style and the point label style. We learned it quite well in the last lecture. Now what if we right click and create a new group? First thing first, we have to give a specific name. Like here I'm writing the name as deltas. We can give some description as well. We can specify a point style, like let's go for the STA again. And for the labeling, we can go for northing and easting. The next thing is about the point groups, the raw description matching and include. This is the most important. Now we can include with the numbers matching. Like for instance, we write 1, 2, 5 or 1 to 5, comma 7, comma 11 to 17. Another thing is to select from the drawing directly. Like I select this one, and this one. So it is already showing 1 to 2 because it was 1 and 2. Another thing is using the elevation matching. Like if I write 100 to 120 or I write 99 to 101. So it will choose all the points with this range. Another thing is with the names matching and then with the raw description matching. The raw description is like we give D1 and D2. So if we write D and static and hit apply, you can see the ones with the D1 and the D2 would be selecting. You cannot differentiate because here we have the point style and the point label already like this. Then we can exclude, we can have the queries, overrides. This is the point list. You can see point 1, point 2, it is showing the easting, northing, the point elevation. You can cross check from these values as well. And then we have the summary. Now in the point groups, what if we right click and then create a new group again? This time we name it as trees, and here we can look for some tree style. Here we have already tree as a preset, so we can select it. Simply press OK. Then for the point labeling, we can go for the elevation only. Now it is the time to include something. This time we press R and then static so that R1, R2 and R3 would be selected. Let's press OK and boom. All the points with R1, R2, R3 are now considered as trees. Similarly for the deltas, we can right click, open the properties, and then we can change the point style to none and similarly the point label style to none. Now the points are there but you cannot actually access and use them because we have changed the point style and point label to none. Let's get back and give it the STA style, and the northing easting label. So now you would have understood why this point grouping is very important. Let's save this file by using the save as feature and name it as lecture number 5. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.